Hi guys, and today guys we're going to be taking EST2 Lecture 2 Class 2 Vector. But before I start my video of today, please like and follow for more videos coming soon on TikTok, and let's begin with our video of today. Today's video is we're going to be taking Vector. In Vector, I need to memorize rules, not only just understand the rule. I will only memorize the rule. The first rule I needed to be memorized is plus or minus vectors, addition or subtraction by vector, addition or subtraction by vector, addition or subtraction by vector. Second rule which I needed to be memorizing by vector is norm magnitude. Again, magnitude, norm magnitude m equals root a squared plus b squared. The second rule I needed to memorize in vector is norm magnitude m equals root a squared plus b squared. Third rule I need to be memorizing in vector is unit vector. Third rule I need to be memorizing in vector is unit vector. Unit vector is less than a over m, b over m is greater than. Unit vector is a over m less than a over m, b over m greater than. Number 4 is parallel vector. Are these vectors parallel to each other or not? Number 4 is parallel vector. Number 5 is angle vector. Number 5 is angle vector. A, B. So tan inverse is B over A. So tan inverse is B over A. Final rule, which is number 6, is parallelogram. Parallelogram. I focus on parallelogram into two things. First thing, shape, shape, shape. Second thing, forces, forces, forces. So I focus into parallelogram into two items. First item, shape, shape. Second item, forces, forces, forces. I have four example like this. 2 plus 3i minus 3 minus 7i. Okay, v approaches, which is this sign. What is this sign? V vector. So v vectored equals, I had to add. So 2 minus 3, I'm taking the 2. I will never do anything with 3. So 2i vectored plus, how many vectored? 7j vectored. Okay, so I'm left up with negative 1 minus 4i. Okay, fine. Next step, 5 vectored plus 2m vectored. I don't forget the vector sign while I'm writing the equation. I don't forget the vector sign while writing the equation. I cannot forget the vector. So 5. Now I can't forget the vector. In writing an equation of vector, I can't forget the vector. So 5 multiply 2i plus how many j? 7j plus 2 negative 3i plus j. Now I distribute here. As you all can see, if I can distribute, my distribution is 4i plus 37j plus 10i plus 35j plus negative 6i plus 2i root 4 squared plus 37 squared equal 37. Okay, Okay, what is my I and what is my J? What is my I? What is my J? 37. So 37 is my J. Okay, fine. First, First, I'm focusing to get the magnitude. While solving a vector question, I have to get the magnitude. Magnitude of this vector equation is root 3 squared plus 2 squared. So magnitude of the vector equation is root 3 squared plus 2 squared, which equals root 13. And root 13 is 9 plus 4, which is 13, which is 3.31 while plugging in your calculator. Okay, okay. Secondly, while I solve the vector, I have to get unit vector. I have to get unit vector. In getting unit vector, I have to write it between parentheses. I cannot write it out of parentheses. This is not counted because I cannot write it out of parentheses, which is 3 over 3.31 minus root 2 over 3.31 as I have, for example, v vector is 3i vector plus root 2j vector. Okay, I have a triangle, and a triangle has a right angle, and a triangle has another angle. This is an angle, and this is an angle, and this is an angle. All of it together equals root 2j. So tan inverse, root 2 out of 3. Again, tan inverse is j out of 2. That's it. Right. There is an important question. There is an important question must come into EST 2 tests. I say V vector is 2, 3, which is I, 2, J, 3. W vector is 1 and 5, I and J. Find the angle between these two vectors. Into my first step, I have to only get what I have to get is the W angle. The angle which I have to get vector is W angle. W angle is tan inverse 5 over I, 5 over I, which is equals to 7.87. V angle. V what? Angle. In angles, I have to get the letter vector, which is tan inverse is 3 over 3. 3 over 3, which equals to 56.3. So I have to subtract to get the following vector. So 78.7 minus 36.3. Check it into your calculator. Okay, okay. I have a quick method using calculator to solve in vector. Angle shift, angle shift, tan inverse y over x. Again, angle shift, tan inverse y over x. Okay, into parallelogram, I have to focus into only two of the following items. Into parallelogram, I have to focus into two only important items using parallelogram. Using parallelogram. Parallelogram. Firstly, I have to get shape. Shape. This is the shape of a vector, and this is the shape of an angle. So A, B, C, and D. B vectored. You could say C vectored. You could say D vectored. So B vector. I do not count it right now. Here I do not count it. So OB over OB vector equals OA over OCE plus AB divided CB. خلصت. And next, what is OB vector? CO vector minus BC vector. There is a tricky question. OA vector. What is OA vector? CB vector minus BC vector. Okay, what is AB vector? AB vector is OC vector minus CO vector. Next, I get into vector, I get forces. When I get forces into vector, I have to get the law of cosine. Not the law of sine, but the law of cosine. Okay, law of cosine. I have a triangle A and B, and this is the angles of a triangle. And this is the angles right over here. Okay, okay, C equal root a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine x. I have a very important tricky question. This is a shape and this is an angle right here. This is f1, this is f2. f1, f2 parallel, not perpendicular. I cannot say f1, f2 perpendicular. f1, f2 must be parallel. If two forces are 10 pounds, if two forces of 10 pounds and 15 pounds act on a body with an angle of 60 degrees between them, what is the magnitude of the resultant? I'm solving this question as a normal question. It's the law of cosine, not the law of sine, which is side angle side. A triangle, I must have an angle 120. So I have an angle 15 into a side, and then I have an angle into another side step. And then there is my magnitude. Now I have to get my magnitude. What I got is the shapes and the rule. Now next I have to get the magnitude. Let's be quicker. Yes, time to be quicker. Magnitude is m equals root 10 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 10 times 15. Cosine 120. Then check all of that into your calculator. Okay, when I say another question, Ionet parallel to vector. Ionet parallel to vector. Ionet parallel to vector. 2, negative 3, 6. Again, 2, negative 3, 6. Root a squared plus b squared less than a over m. B over m is greater than unit vector. Unit vector is negative 2 out of 7 squared. Parallel vector is 6 out of 7. Parallel vector is 6 out of 7 squared, which equals to 1. So now finally I'm finding the magnitude. Magnitude is root 2 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 6 squared, which equals to 7. And that's it, guys, and I hope if you liked my video of today, please like and follow for more videos coming soon on TikTok. And goodbye everyone, and happy Eid. If you needed me, wait me in the comments and I will answer every one of you. And thanks.